Hello, this is Gregory Ramirez, and this video is intended to help with your completion of the research paper assignment. First of all, you are to take one of the essays you have written, either in class or out of class, and expand it to where it meets the minimum length requirement stated on the research paper prompt. In this case, it is to be at least onto the 6th page, keeping in mind it will be double spaced. Also, be sure it follows the MLA format and includes a works cited page listing the sources used within the research paper. Keep in mind, however, that outside sources refers to those sources that are not reading assignments. Therefore, while you may include reading assignments in your research paper as you did in the previous submissions, you are expected to retrieve additional sources. When doing so, remember to limit to 2 personal interviews. If you decide to use personal interview, be sure you are using someone who is qualified to speak on the issue you are addressing, and not simply because he or she is a family member or a good friend. If you use any videos, such as from YouTube, be sure to limit that to 2 as well. Finally, while there is a limit of 3 internet sources, that which are exclusively online, that does not apply to databases, as many of those sources can be found in print as well. If you are having trouble deciding which essay to use as the basis for your research paper, ask yourself these 3 questions. First, on which essay did you earn the highest grade? Secondly, which essay did you find the most exciting to write? And finally, which essay is there the most sources or research available? This will make the task of finding sources that much easier. Your final decision should align with at least one of these, and it would be even more affirming if it aligns with 2 or all 3 of these. When including the additional ideas, be sure to integrate them in your essay. What this means is you do not want to simply place all new information at the end of what was your previous essay. Go through your old essay and determine where the newer ideas fit best, and simply placing all of them at the end will cause problems to the overall organization in the research paper, and that will lead the reader to confusion and to question the overall effort you put into your research paper. As a reminder, you are to submit an annotated bibliography of the sources you anticipate using in your research paper. You are also to submit a rough draft prior to submitting the research paper itself. If there are any questions, please contact me via email, via Canvas inbox, or by calling my office phone at 559-675-4832.